Hi guys, I am Ryan and I'm back from Coding with Ryan. And today I will teach you the basic things that you can learn from scratch. Okay, so at first you enter on Scratch, then you will enter on Scratch image program share, then you will create account. If you don't have, you will create. If you have, no need. Then you will click on create. And then when it's open, you will see this page. Okay, so this is basically Scratch, and today I will show you the basic things that you should learn in Scratch. Okay, so the first things you see on the left, you can see many categories here with different names and functions. So here in the first one, motion, this is supposed to be like, it is all the blocks that support the motion. So here it will move or turn. So here this is right degrees, so it will turn to the right 15 degrees, this to the left. And you can go to random position or mouse pointer. So here I can say always that if here go to, and if you make another sprite here, you can say go to sprite 2 or go to random position or the mouse pointer. So then there is a block go to X and Y. This is the main block in all the program, because this is the main program that will reset your position of your sprite. So I want it to be in the center, so I will say 0x 0y, and if you click it, it will be at the center. And you also can click glide to random position or mouse pointer, so it will glide to mouse pointer, or glide to sprite 2, so here is sprite 2 and glide to sprite 2, then went to him. Or you can say glide to, like, this is a certain position like this, or for something specific, or for a position. You also can take point in direction. So if you notice here under the Y, you can see direction. You can make it any direction you want. So for example, for me, I'll make it 180. 180. Okay, so you can see that it is upside down like this. It will be pointing up. 90, it will be like this. So you here can point it in any direction you want, and if you click it from 91, it will be -30. Okay, let's now learn about point toward. So here basically it will not move, it will only point toward the mouse pointer or random position or sprite 2. So here it can go point in mouse pointer. So if it's of mouse pointer, look, it's only moving upside down. So we have also, like, this is the main thing in motion. There's 4 blocks in here, you should know them, and they're called 1. Change X, 2. Set X, 3. Change Y, and 4. Set Y. These are very important things, and make sure you know them, because this change X by 10, you can make with it a program like when flag clicked, change X by 10 forever change X by 10. So let's test it like this. If we put forever, it will always change x. Can you see it? It's here. So that's it. And also we have the set x. So set x, basically it will make it like if we put it forever, okay, and it is on 0. Let's make sure there's no other number. You can make it 0. Forever set x to this, it will forever stay in this. But if changing, it will change, like it will change every time she stops at change or set. So if she's on x36x, then it will not move again because this is set x. But if it's change, it will change. If it finish the 36, it will go another 36, another 36, repeatedly forever. And also we have the change y. So basically the x is like, the x is this placement and the y position is this placement. So y is up and down and x is right and left. So y, the same thing. If it's change y, it will always go up. But if we make it 0 again and then make it forever set, it will forever stay in this. It will not move again. And also we have here x positions, y positions, and direction. So basically this is like variables that we are gonna take it after a little bit. So this is direction and x position and y position. So we can say like so it will definitely go to x position of sprite 2. Okay, so if we take this, go to x position, this, so we can put go to x position and y position. So if you see it now, it will go to the x position, the certain x position and y position. And also direction, it will go to direction. So you see, if I put the code here and in the y like this, okay, so x will go right and left, and if direction to y, it will go up and down. Now this is all the blocks in motion. We have looks. Looks basically are more simple. It's only about saying, or it's doing action. It's like motion, but it is like, it's more simple. How? Like say hello for 2 seconds or think. So here there thing that you have to take, you have to know that here there's say hello and say for 2 seconds. What is the difference between them? You have to know that say hello, it would say forever. Look, it's not running because it's not highlighted by yellow, but it's staying. But if I say think for 2 seconds, it will say for 2 seconds. And also you can change. So say hello, say yes, say hi, hello, Ahmed, anything. You can do anything in it. And also you can switch to the customs. Like if you went to customs up there, you'll see 2, custom 1, custom 2, and you can add from here custom. So basically if you bring switch to custom, it would switch to the customs. Like so let's see, like this, we put all of them here, switch to, and there is a trick here. It's a simple trick, but you have to take care of it. Here there is 2 things, next custom and switch to custom. Here next custom, it is showing that it will forever, like look, if I am clicking on it, it will forever do it. Okay, it will repeat the same customs. But if I say switch to, it will switch to a certain one and it will not move from it. So switch basically for custom one. Okay, let's just make it 90. Okay, yes, 90. And also you can say switch to, here it's idle, it will not move, but next custom it will run all over them. Also we have switched to backdrop. Backdrop is here under stage. You can say for example I will make one circle that it's purple and another one is let's say it will be red. So here is it. You can say next backdrop in here. Next backdrop, switch to, or next. So switch to is basically a switch to custom, but it will be the backdrop. So backdrop 2, it will forever be 2. If I say 1, it will be 1. But next backdrop, it will always switch between them. So, and also we have change size by and set size. Basically, this is the same. Like it is the same function of motion. It is the same thing, and it is definitely very unsimilar in thing. So here in looks, we can say change. So it will forever change the size. Here's it. Can you see the size here? It is growing up. And if I make it on this, you can see it is moving up. Okay, but this is the maximum, so let me make it to 0. See? But if I say set size to 100, it will forever be in this. Okay, so it will not change the size. Also we have change color, set color. So I think you already know how or what is the difference between change and set. Okay, basically in here also like motion and change and set in size, it is also change color. So you can say ghost will be like unclear, brightness, mosaic, it will be like many of them, pixels, so it will be pixeled. You can make whirl, you can make fish eye, and also you can make color. So I will change the color basically. So let me get it again as it is. So as you see, here's them. So here's it. Yes. So like if you choose mosaic, it will be very crazy, going very crazy. Look, so it is very big. Okay, to control it even. So it's many big. Okay, so you have also set color. So let me maybe Joe. Basically, I'll draw just a circle. Okay, so let's delete them and make another custom for the sprite. Make sure for the sprite, but it will be colored black. Okay, for now. And you might see that it's still like this. Don't worry, you can only clear graphic effects. So this is basically, so if I added mosaic like many of times, or this shape that it is many, like it's not nice with it, it's like colony, you can make actually you can make a difference in it. Okay, you can say after it's pixelated, ghosty, anything, you can say clear graphic effects. And also you can make show and hide. This is very nice blocks because basically it is like it will determine all your work. How's it? Look at me. Here we have hide and show. So basically you know what hide means and show means. Like hide, it will disappear, and show, it will appear. So here this is showing. If I click hide, it will disappear. And also you can look here, there's like an eye symbol and a cross on the eye symbol. And also, so show, hide, show, hide, show, hide. So this is basically will show or hide it. Okay. Then also there is go to front layer and go to forward or backward. So what does this mean? You can make another sprite here, and you can make it only a big square like this. Actually we change the color so we can know where the ball. So for example I'll make it blue like this. Very nice. So here basically you can see that if you're trying to touch the ball, okay, it's basically going under it. So you don't want this, you want this as a backdrop, and this is your sprite. You can say go to front layer or back layer. Okay, so go to back layer, it will go here, it will not disappear, and go to front layer, it will not disappear also. So now you know what this block is meaning. But now this is the difference between both of them. Here you can make, like, you can change in how many layers you go front or back. Like so I will make another sprite again, and let's make it Mr. Like it is we'll make it like this. Like here we make another color red. Okay, and for like we want this ball to go behind the red but not behind the blue. Okay, you don't understand what I mean. I want only to go front, so I'll go to front at first. I will say go backwards one layer only. You see, if I click go backward 2 layers, look what will happen. So that's here, it is here. So this is basically their movements, okay, or their need of them. You can also see here custom number, backdrop numbers, and size. Basically you can say if the size, yes, here the size, if the size equal to 50, say hello or do anything. And also at the same time this backdrop number or backdrop name or custom number or custom name. Now we have the sound part. The sound part, actually it will make sounds like this. So again like this, and you can also say start sound or until done. So start, it will start it, but if you said after it move or say hello, for example, say hello, look, she didn't complete it, and then the hello command showed. But if you put instead of start sound, play sound until done, then this, now it will basically wait for the recording to end, then it will say hello like this, then it will show. And also you can see here also stop all sounds. So I'll make start, stop all sounds, stop. So stop here would stop it from any time you want. So whenever you press it, it will stop. Also here, change pitch effect or pan left right. So this is basically only will change the pitch of the sound. Okay, and also it will change it or set. And the clear sound effects, like it is basically like this one, clear graphic effects. So this will clear all the sound. You can also change the volume sound or set the volume sound too. And also volume, you can use it as size. We take it in here. Use it. Size. Here the event. Event can be like there's two blocks or two blocks out of all of them. Can't be or can be. Two of them can be only put in a forever loop or between things, between blocks. So what do I mean exactly? Exactly, I mean that on flat clicked, if you notice, you can't put it in a forever loop. It will not be answered, but you can put it above. So I can say when flat clicked, it will forever move 10 steps. But and also like you can use many things, like when space key pressed, or when A, B, C, D to, it's basically from A to Z and from 0 to 9. And also from right arrow to space to up arrow to down arrow or anyone, okay? Any number that you make. When this part is clicked, this is basically like if I pressed it, you see it will move. But if I clicked on the code, it will also move. But if I didn't click on the costume, it will not move at all. But if I clicked, it will move 10 steps each time. And also there is a backdrop. So this is actually like if we have two backdrops, for example, we make another one. Okay, two. Backdrop 1 or 2 is switched, move 10 steps. So actually, if they are switched together, they will move only. And also there is when loudness. This is very nice. When loudness, yes. So here when loudness,